I'm Gabriel and this is Learning English Path. And in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to use a thesaurus, especially to learn adjectives. Okay, so in just a second, I'm going to show you a website called Thesaurus.com so you can grow your English vocabulary, especially with adjectives, okay? And if you're interested, then stay with me till the end of the video because I'm going to show you how you can get my course on adjectives for a discounted price, okay? A very cheap price, even though it's a big and very, very helpful course for you. Alright? So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, please subscribe, give it a like, okay? Share it with a friend. I give you lots of lessons all the time for free on YouTube. Okay? And also check out my website, learningenglishpath.com. If you're interested in learning what the 101 best songs for learning English are, then check that out and I'll give that to you for free. That's a free resource, unbelievably, okay? But first, let me show you how you can learn adjectives with Thesaurus.com. Okay, so this is Thesaurus.com, all right? You see this website here? This is a wonderful website and a wonderful resource that is very underused. Most people know what a dictionary is, right? So you might have a dictionary book, or you might use dictionary.com, or there are other websites like Merriam-Webster, the Oxford English Dictionary, right? But surprisingly, not many people know what a thesaurus is. And a thesaurus is if you want to use a better word that basically means the same thing, this will give you a list of other words called synonyms, which you can use instead. So, for example, let's say you want to say that something is good, okay? But the word good is very boring and it doesn't stand out. Nobody is impressed by the word good, right? So you want to say, oh, something is very good. But here's a better way to say that, okay? So here with the word good, it gives you very short, very bite-sized definitions here across the top on little tabs. And you can look to see what sense of good you are talking about. Because good can really mean many things, right? It can mean pleasant or fine. Or it can mean moral or virtuous. It can mean you're skilled or competent at something. It can mean something is useful, and so on, right? So here we're going to look at the first one. So pleasant or fine. You want to say, oh yeah, it was a good day. So here are some other words you can use. You can say, it was great. It was marvelous. It was positive. It was superb. It was valuable. Okay, it was wonderful, excellent, exceptional, etc. So the ones in the dark orange, those are the words that are closest to the word good. So they basically mean the same thing. The ones in a little lighter color are a little bit further away in the meaning, but it depends how you want to use it, but they can still be useful. And then the ones in a much lighter color, these are words even farther away. Okay, so they divide them up into 3 different sections. You can think of it kind of as a web. So if you've got the word good right in the middle, and then you've got the darker orange words around the middle there in the web, then you've got these words in the middle words surrounding a larger area here. And then you've got the words in the lightest color. They are on the outside of the web. But the ones closest to the word good right in the middle, those are probably the best ones. All right. So you've got these, and you see here's a little adjective. And the thing is with these words is that you can click on each one. Okay, so let's click on excellent. Now for excellent, it goes straight to this word and you have a whole nother bunch of words, right? So this is an amazing tool. Think of how many words you can learn just in a few minutes. You can learn a whole bunch of new words and increase your vocabulary, right? And if you don't know the meaning of a word, you can simply look it up in the dictionary here. And it'll go to the word in the dictionary. Oh, you have to type it in again here, I guess. But it will still help you a lot. All right, let's choose another word. Let's say happy. So if you want to find a better way of saying I'm happy today. So in high spirits or satisfied, okay, you can say I'm delighted, I'm elated, I'm overjoyed, I am jubilant, lively, right? So you've got a whole bunch of words there. And it doesn't end, because if you go down here, then it also gives you antonyms. So those were the synonyms, those were the words close to the word, and the antonyms means the opposite of the word happy. Okay, so that's very useful too. Depressed, disappointed, disturbed, grave, melancholy here, right? You've got a bunch of words that are the opposite of happy. And then even below that, you've got a bunch more of words. So you've got words related to happy. Panglosian, okay? So it gives you a lot of words here. And look at that. Look how many pages you got here, okay? So look, you've got a lot of stuff you can learn here. Oh, here is where you can see the definition. So you can go to the dictionary definition, okay? Very simple. And now I want to show you a game, all right? And the game is this. We have to get from one word to another. I call this the synonym game. So we're going to start with a word beginning with A, abstract. Now, what does abstract mean? Let's quickly go to the dictionary and see. So it's an adjective that means... It can mean, let's say, difficult to understand or abstruse. And it doesn't relate to specific objects or actual instances. Okay? It's apart from that. So you can say a painting is abstract if it's not a painting of real things. If it's a painting just with many, many colors, it might be an abstract painting. And we want to get to a word, the word zany. Okay, whoops. Okay, definition of zany, let's see. Right. Ludicrously whimsically comical. Clownish. Okay, think of a clown. A clown is zany. One who plays the clown or the fool in order to amuse others. This person is zany. All right? Now, what we want to do is we want to get from the word abstract to the word zany by clicking on words on each page. All right? So this is maybe a little trickier than you might think. So we can't just type zany in here, okay? We can't use the search bar. We have to get to zany just by clicking on other words. Whew, so A to Z by clicking on words. Right? How can we get from abstract to zany in as few clicks as possible? All right? We want to get there in as quick of a time as possible. So abstract. So zany's not there. So we have to click on another one first. Ooh, let's go with unreal. Unreal. Okay, is zany a synonym in unreal? No. I didn't expect it to be. So let's click on another word. I'm thinking we could go with hallucinatory. Okay, someone who maybe has hallucinations. Okay, hallucinatory. Does that get us to zany? No. So what can we click here? Remember, we can click on other words as well. Could maybe click on the antonyms, but we don't want to do that, I don't think. Can click on some of these words. Let's go with crazy. Okay, that might lead us somewhere close to zany. But crazy. There's no zany here. But what can we click? Maybe wacky. Wacky. Ah, okay. And we've got zany here. All right, zany is one of the synonyms for wacky. So there we go. All right, we got from abstract to zany in, I think it was 6 clicks, 5 or 6 clicks, right? See if you can beat me on that. So I want you to have a try, because what this will do, it will give you so many other words that you can look at. And so how can you choose the 2 words to go from, so we went from abstract to zany in this game. How can you choose your 2 words in your game? Well, you could keep a little dictionary or a little notepad of words that you've learned when you've been reading a book. Okay, you know, it's good to read English books. So if you come across 2 words that are new for you while you're reading, you can write them down and play this game. Try and get from one adjective to another. Try it with adjectives just, okay? So try and get from one adjective to another by playing the Synonym Game. All right? Now, I've taught this game to many students, and it's helped improve their vocabulary. And this game is also in my course. And I want to show you now my course that I recommend for learning adjectives if you want to take this to the next level. Okay, so here is my course, Learn English Adjectives, 102 Advanced Adjectives in Stories. So what I do here is I give you 102 adjectives in a course, and I use them in stories. And you see, it's on sale right now. So it's originally $29.99, but at the moment you get 67% off, okay? It's only for $9.99. All right? What a great deal. So you get this course and you will learn many, many adjectives, okay? You get them in a story and you get them explained. I'm giving you 102 adjectives. And there's the synonym game, right? So check that out. And you can also check out some of my other courses if you want. I've got courses on English fluency with debates. I've got English courses for dating language. Now, I'm giving this to you for $9.99 if you click on the link in the description. So click on the link and you'll get this course, and it's a pretty amazing deal, actually, if you really want to take your adjectives to the next level. All right, if you enjoyed this, subscribe, give the video a like, and keep going.